Namaste YouTube, welcome to Cafe Noma and welcome to our reaction to David Crosby, and the song that we are going to listen to is titled Hero. We reacted to Superman today by R.A. or Ra.
Yeah, maybe posted on another
No,
day though,
it's
because
Hero.
we make more reactions in every session.
Yeah.
Because of the pandemic and lockdown and
Yeah, because of all
lot of
the
other things that we
uncertainties
do.
and
Yeah.
also the process that it takes to process all this video and ultimately go online. So we do them together. So we are going to react to this song of David Crosby for the first time, never heard this before, titled Hero. It will be a single take and honest reaction as it is always on our channel. If you come here for that, you will never be disappointed.
And most people come here for that.
Yeah, now people know it.
95% or more people who come here are very, very happy with our brutal honesty at times and sincerity in our videos. We have nothing against anyone.
No.
Nothing at all. We are not racist pigs like some people tend to be on this platform. We are not those who discriminate against a particular genre of artist or bands or music. We are not one who limits ourselves to just a limited number of artists and bands as 95% or more of the reactors do on YouTube, where most other reactors listen to a maximum of 50, sometimes 60 artists and bands in their lifespan on YouTube as a channel. We have reacted to over 1,000 different artists and bands. And that is because our purpose has been to listen to good music, not based on nationality, genre, skin color, lifestyle choices of the artist or band or the musicians. So that is why we are very proud of the work we do, because as of now and for a long time we have been the only reaction channel who have kept it universal, who have kept it open, who have kept it equal for all. But when we say this, doesn't mean that we like everything that we listen to. Obviously, if something is against our ethics, our morals, our culture, our upbringing, or something that we just don't like, it's like a food item, I mean, for you, if you're an American or an Englishman, if I serve you a spicy curry, chicken korma, you may not even know what I'm talking about. And if you do know what I'm talking about, you may not like it the first time. And who knows if you'll ever like it. The same goes with us. The music is quite different from what we are used to. So not all the time we can agree and like everything. So do keep that in mind. I know it may not be possible for you to accept everything that we say and do. And that's not what you're here for. But please don't go against us just because we are open and honest. That's a ruthless way to live your life and a ruthless thing to do. It highlights your shoddy character as well as very poor cultural upbringing. On that note, it's time for Hero, David
Time for
Crosby.
Hero.
It was one of those great stories that you can't put down at night. The hero knew what he had to do, and he wasn't afraid to fight. The villain goes to jail while the hero goes free. I wish it were that simple for me. And the reason that she loved him
Phil Collins?
was the reason I loved him too.
Sounds like
And he never wondered what was right or wrong. He just knew. He just knew.
Sounds like Phil Collins or Peter Gabriel, one of them.
pigs together at dawn. But by the time you catch them, simplicity's gone. So we sort through the pieces, my friends and I, searching through the darkness to find the breaks in the sky. And the reason that she loved him was the reason I loved him too. And he never wondered what was right or wrong. He just knew, he just knew. And we wonder, yes we wonder, how do you make sense of this? When the hero kills the maiden with his kiss, with his kiss. Well, it was one of those great stories that you can't put down at night. The hero knew what he had to do, and he wasn't afraid to fight. The villain goes to jail, while the hero goes free. I wish it were that simple for me, were that simple for me.
Wow, this was beautifully sung by both these singers. Wow, amazing. The hero knew what he had to do and he wasn't afraid to fight. The villain goes to jail while the hero goes free. I wish it were that simple for me. Wow, very well written. Powerful lines. I love the music. It was so delicate, gentle, soothing. At the same time, the lyrics were so profound, thought-provoking, intense. You know, makes you think as a man for sure. It definitely connects with men more than women, I would imagine.
Okay.
This kind of a song. What are your thoughts, Zukirti?
I like the song. It was more like Phil Collins' style of making this kind of song than it was David Crosby. We haven't heard much of David Crosby. Even CSNY and CSN we have heard little bit. And David Crosby, recently we heard one song. This is the second one. So I'm not sure what exactly are his ways of doing things. But here there was a lot of Phil Collins that I could hear. Having heard him much more, a little bit more than David Crosby. I enjoyed it. Their vocals, their voices merged together pretty well. It was more like a duet for me, the way it was sung. And we all wish the life could be that simple, either black or white, wrong or right. We all think we are the heroes in everything. We don't see that someone else must be looking at us as he's the villain. He's the wrong person, he's at the wrong place. Why is he here? Why does he not get out of here? He's the one who's troubling us all. But from our point of view, We always think we are the ones who are the victims, who are the heroes, who are here to save the world, save that person, save that person's life, save the day, and things like that. I always believe there is no truth, because truth is the perspective of the person who's saying it. There are always two sides of the truth. There is nothing called as a lie, because the other person has his own reasons when they do so. There is only one thing that sets apart truth and the lie, is facts. Facts can be facts and nobody can twist them if they are truly going by the facts and not twisting them. But truth and lie both are perspectives.
And that is why this ploy has been used for decades now, if not over a century, where you can plead insanity. Because insanity is where facts don't matter, truth, lies
Nothing
don't
matters,
matter.
actually.
Nothing matters. Person's insane.
It's a thing.
Criminally is insane. What can be done? Wow. You did enjoy the singing and the music, I'm
I
sure.
did, I did.
A lot. Wow,
Yes.
this was a good song. That's it for this one. Check out our Patreon page to learn more about us. Link in the description box below.
Thank you for all your time.